What up, YouTube? Will this dishwasher destroy the stickers on my Nalgene water bottle? There's only one way to find out. Actually, these stickers are a little bit special to me. So I put a sticker on this old water bottle. Let's see if it survives the cycle. Here we go. And now we wait. It survived. Looks great. All right, time to do the real test. All right, before we put the actual bottle through the ringer, I'm going to do a quick pose for the before shot in the thumbnail. Cool. See you soon. The moment we've been waiting for is finally here. I am so nervous. I am freaking out right now. Let's see if the sticker survived. I got the close-up cam ready to go. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. Looks great. There's a little scuff there. I think that was already there, but smells great too. So there you have it, guys. It works. Don't be afraid to toss your sticker covered water bottle in the dishwasher every once in a while. Get that deep clean. Don't destroy all the stickers. Maybe a little bit of fading right there, but overall looks great. All right, before I go, I just got to do the after thumbnail. How does this look? Hold up. That should do it. All right. Go ahead, like this video if you found it helpful. I'm gonna go ahead and unload this dishwasher.